Hey food lovers, welcome back to Mystic Flames Kitchen. Today I've got something truly irresistible for you, cheesy veg garlic bread. And guess what? You don't need an oven and it's ready in just 10 minutes. This garlic bread is crispy on the outside, cheesy on the inside, and packed with flavors of butter, garlic, and veggies. Let's get started. For the garlic butter spread, you'll need 2 tablespoons softened butter, 1 tablespoon finely minced garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh coriander, 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, a pinch of salt for the cheesy veg topping, 1/2 cup grated mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup finely chopped capsicum, 1/4 cup finely chopped tomatoes, 1/4 cup finely chopped onion, and finally the bread base, 2 slices of bread, white or brown. All right, let's start with the garlic butter spread. In a bowl, mix softened butter, minced garlic, chopped coriander, chili flakes, oregano, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Mix well until smooth. Look at this, it's rich, flavorful, and smells amazing. This will give our garlic bread that irresistible kick. Next, take 2 slices of bread and spread a generous layer of our garlic butter on one side. Place the buttered side down on a preheated pan and let it toast for 1-2 minutes on low flame. This ensures maximum crunch. Once the bottom is toasted and golden, flip the bread and start adding the toppings. Sprinkle a layer of mozzarella cheese for that cheesy pull. Add finely chopped capsicum, tomatoes, and onions for a crunchy, colorful texture. Now cover the pan with a lid and let it cook on low heat for 2-3 minutes. The steam will melt the cheese perfectly and infuse all the flavors together. OMG, can you see that? The cheese is melting beautifully. Time to dig in. Cut this crispy, cheesy, and garlicky bread into slices and just look at that cheese pull. Sprinkle a little more oregano and chili flakes for extra spice, and voila! Our cheesy veg garlic bread is ready to be devoured. This is so good. The crispy bread, cheesy pull, and garlicky butter make every bite heavenly. Try this quick and easy recipe at home and impress your friends and family. Comment below if you loved this and let me know what recipe you want next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mystic Flames Kitchen for more delicious quick recipes. See you next time.